What is up, guys? So I didn't get to make an intro for this video last night, but basically all we do is we end up hitting Ktown. It hasn't been happening for the past 3 weeks, and that's been due to people revving up their cars and doing burnouts at the meets, but that usually always happens. But yeah, that's caused us to get kicked out of every venue we've had it at, so it hasn't been going on for the past 3 weeks straight, but this is the first time it's happened in a little while, so it had a great turnout, and it was definitely a great meet. It was very fun. We were all excited for it. But you guys will see that in a minute. But before I let you guys go, I want to say thank you guys for 300 subscribers. Everybody likes, comments, subscribes. It's much appreciated by everybody who does something on this channel. So keep it up, and let's make some more milestones on this channel. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and hope you guys are having a great day. And drop a like or a comment on this video. So we just pulled up to the meet. We pulled up to the meet. 5.0 Trans Am. Oh, we got like a Boss 302 intake manifold, intake. Yeah, these have LS1s, depends on what year.
Whispers in my ear.
These things low-key rip though. That's Jason. Dude with the G, huh? I have no idea.
Oh, is that the guy that you were riding with at one time after the one by Pep Boys?
Yeah.
You hear it's boosted?
Yeah, it is boosted.
Is that Skyline?
Yeah, it's a R32.
R32 Skyline?
2 R32s.
I just want an R34.
Actually, 3 R32s.
Really? Yeah, I think so. I don't know, I don't really know.
Look like Dan's car.
That's
a 300. That R32 was at Ktown a while back. That blue one?
Did you say racist guy? Which one? Yeah, this one.
That shit sounds good. God damn. Clean ass R32. Like semi-gutted interior. Well, not semi-gutted interior. Well, gutted back seat.
Oh, this is the one that was.
This thing looks sick.
Yeah, this is the one. This is the one that what's his face turned his flashlight on. We're like, no, it was nowhere.
As you had his trunk bumper off, so you know he's going like kids in the back seat.
This thing is nice, bro. And then like the back seat's taken out. It's tuned because there's a PEC seat in there. Bro, this thing is dirty. And it's clean.
Don't touch it.
What? Yeah, you're not supposed to touch that, bro.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, don't touch that, man.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
I just don't like to touch it.
It says GTR on it, so it looks cool. Oh shit.
This man's tuned and everything, bro.
Nice one next to it. Y'all forgot
My car.
That's a Subaru. That's not even a. That's
I said it was an Evo.
Y'all are head asses.
What was that?
I don't know.
Sounded good though. Just a STI.
Huh?
He's got a red.
Oh, that was an Evo. No.
Maybe in the back.
I hear the freaking cannon. Oh, this is the one that raced at Friday Night Drags last month.
Did it?
This guy.
Hey, I have that same.
What's up, Trout?
Matt's right there.
Matt who?
what you think. I got a little bit. Gotta bring the whole meter over here. 101.
Okay, I'm still fascinated by the lights. Y'all doing this? Yeah, I'm still fascinated by the
Say
lights.
LOL run.
LOL run. That's sick as shit.
That's fucking cool.
That's dirty. Y'all sitting here like looking at that, bro. I'm looking at the lights like, bro. Like, look, that's pretty sick.
That's badass. It's just LOL run. Kendrick's like, I'll run it.
Alright, so now you have no choice, man. Now you gotta get in there and rev your.
Bro, my car's not loud. You should put tape over it.
It still sounds decent. It's like a nice tone, but it's not loud.
Yeah, it's not like a voice.
Yeah, but it's not stock though. Like that's Flowmaster, isn't it?
Yeah, I just got new ones in, bro. I'm about to straight my What's that, dude? They fucking loud as that bitch is loud as fuck. Yeah, what you get the headphones, that's probably why. Yeah, I'm a gas out of it. Yeah,
You might not like it though. You know Nate?
Yeah.
He straight piped his shit and he didn't like it. He put it right back, yeah.
It was so loud though.
But it sounded good though.
That shit hurt. That shit hurt.
You should see when he actually does it all the way. Like,
That wasn't even all the way. Shit.
Wait, so is that just tape on the toe legs?
yeah.
Okay, that's still cool though.
That's funny.
Hey, I'm gonna do that to mine next time.
You should do that shit.
I am. But I'm gonna put suck my ball sack on.
Hey, that'd be pretty sick, bro.
That's a lot of work.
Suck
lick
my
'em?
ball sack.
Lick them.
Yeah. Lick 'em.
They're pretty sick.
Lick 'em.
Be something different.
A1G, because like 7 is the 7, or G is the 7th letter in the alphabet.
Is it actual?
Yeah, A1G, bro.
A, C, D, E, F, G. Oh shit, I'm surprised this man fucking actually got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw subscribe your way.
Well, subscribe my way. Tire letters look so good on that logo.
Yeah, the dude was like, "You're a GTR fucking."
Oh, looks nice. Ah, damn. That's that same Subi.
Check this STI, bro.
You can win that.
That's like a. That's like the blue from the Mustangs.
Nitrous blue.
They got rid of the Supra.
Yeah, They sold it. They gave away like 2 Supras. Yeah. Another STI.
Did you enter the win?
Yeah, I bought a t-shirt.
Let's go look at this. I was thinking. That's turbocharged.
Turbo. This is the same Turbo BRZ we saw at a meet a few weeks ago. Me and Nolan went to by ourselves. I wonder how much power this thing makes.
What?
No. It's hell in. It's going everywhere.
Bro, like the fitment on this thing is disgusting, bro.
I'm thinking of getting beers like this. Tiny.
Kendrick, you would hit more people than you do already.
He doesn't hit anybody.
Almost.
This thing is like smooth, bro.
Yeah.
Is it really?
What? Oh, the works.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, damn.
Look at the brake, like how close it is to the brake. Holy shit. He's on everything.
This man put works on it.
He's on air ride. He just fucking air.
Oh yeah, it is
like,
air ride.
Resting on the fender. It looks
Okay, I want to ask this man about it if he was here.
This wide body is smooth. I kind of want that wide body.
So now we're leaving the meet. This is the first time they had Ktown in a minute. Like, how many weeks was it that they didn't have Ktown?
3, 2.
Yeah, they didn't have Ktown for like 3 weeks, so this is the first meet they had in a while. So dirty on recording.
What do you mean?
You want more stuff?
Nigga's so dirty.